In 410 AD, the Romans withdrew from Britannia, and then slowly went into decline due to the Germanic tribal invasions. From this time onwards in Britannia, it is known as the Dark Ages. Much less is written down, and what is came from the church. So take all of this period with a pinch of salt. It is true, however, that the immediate effect of the Romans leaving Britain was the catastrophic effect on the Romanised natives. The once thriving Roman cities and towns went into decline. Bathhouses and churches became ruins for homelessness, and the Romanised Britons were just having a horrid time. Some Roman trade routes would survive for a time, most likely for the tin in Britannia, however this would also diminish. It's most likely the southern parts of the island as well as any urban settlements that suffered the most, while the northern and more rural areas across Britannia were less Romanised to begin with. There is archaeological evidence that some Romanised Britons did continue to develop their settlements even after Roman withdrawal. However, this would have become much harder for them over time due to the lack of military protection. These communities would have needed to fend for themselves, and local Romanised Britain leaders may have become petty kings of their small towns. Birdoswald is considered to be one such of these fortified centres.
Be sure to check out my other channel, History Sticks, for the complete, longer and comprehensive video.